I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Uber Eats promo code UK. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna open your web browser. So in my case it's Google, as you guys can see Google. Then you're gonna go and search up Uber Eats promo code UK, as you guys can see right there on the search bar. So once that is done, you're gonna search up and then it's gonna redirect you to a new page. So on this page you're gonna see many links, alright? And all these links contain different codes. So in my case, I'm gonna click on the first link which says Daily Mail Uber Eats promo code. So I'm gonna click on it. So I clicked on it and now it's gonna redirect me to a new page. Here, as you guys can see, I can see many codes here, okay? So for example, there's $5 off, 40% off, 25% off, and many more. Okay, so let's say you want this code right here for $5 off. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the code and then this code will appear right here. So this is the code right here. So I'm gonna click copy code and the code is successfully copied. So let's say whenever you're buying something from Uber Eats and you're on the checkout menu, there'll be one option of redeeming something. So if you type in this code, you're gonna get $5 off. Similarly, if I go back, there are many other options. There's 40% off, 25% off. If I want 25% off, I'm gonna click on it and the new code's gonna pop up. Similarly, let's say these codes don't work, it says invalid code or expired, then the alternative is that you can go to other websites. For example, this was the first website we went to. You can go to this website right here. You can just check out many different websites and see which code works. So in this case, there you go, 25% off selected orders over $15. So you can click on it and this is the code right there. You can copy and then paste it. So as you guys can see, this is how you get the codes for Uber Eats. So alright guys, I'll wait for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.